I'm standing on my front porch. This is my street. This is my walkway. Can't even see the walkway. It's my neighbors across the street. All the cars are covered. This is my driveway, the other end. Ridiculous, right? Unbelievable. That little hump right there, that was a bench, completely covered in my front yard. And you can see my mom's car, the bushes. I'm gonna come out a little bit. This is the mound. See the snow shovel? You see where it's stuck and it's not even pushed all the way down in the snow. These are the icicles hanging off the front of my house, which I'm gonna have to try to figure out a way in a minute to get down before we have some serious roof damage going on like other people. I'll show you the aftershot in a minute. This is my deck and my backyard. And you see, that's my mom's house out back. That hump over there is the heat pump that we're getting ready to go clear so that she'll have heat. This is the yard. See the snow blower? The snow blower is covered. There's the snow blower that we get ready to get out in the generator. And just look down at my legs. See where the snow is up to my knee. This is crazy, right? Those are my footprints coming out the back door. What? Unbelievable. All right, here we go.